Let us solve a few questions to understand how to deal with the application of identities, or you can say algebraic formula and operations. Take the first question, 999 square. Now, what you have to do is you have to express it in the form of 1000 minus 1 whole square. Now, what will happen? This will take the form of a minus b whole square. We will consider this 1000 to be a and this 1 to be b. So a minus b whole square formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this becomes 1000 square. 1000 square will be around 10 lakhs. Okay. 10 to the power 6 plus 1 plus 2000. So this is your 10 lakhs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 added with 2000 added with, sorry, this will be minus 2000, a minus b square. Okay, so this is minus 1000 minus 2000. So this will become 998,000. Okay, plus 1 plus 1. So your answer is going to be 998,001. So this is your answer. We could have directly got the value of the square of 999, but we tried to find the value of a square of 999 by using the formula of a minus b whole square. Okay, so this question will not appear in an exam, but these three questions are just for the sake of practice. Solving the next question. Look at the question closely. This is 1.25 whole square. So this takes the form of a square. Then again 0.75 whole square. This takes the form of b square. Now plus 2ab. We need 2ab, right? Because there is a plus sign. But I could not see 1.25 here. Can you see 1.25 here? No. I can see 0.75, which is from here. Okay. But if I write 2ab, 2 into 1.25, so this 2 into 1.25 is nothing but 2.50, which is present here. So basically what have they done? They have multiplied 2 by 1.25. Okay. So there was a catch. You have to understand this. 1.25 square is a square. 0.75 square is b square. Now 2ab. 2 into 1.25 into b. What is b? 0.75 square. Right. So this 2 into 1.25 have been multiplied. Now this is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square, which can be written as in the form of a plus b whole square. Now what will happen if we add 1.25 and 0.75? You know that this 5 will become 10, 1 carry over, 7 to 9 plus 1 10, 0 carry over, 1 1 2. So this will become 2. So this is actually square of 2, which is 4. The only problem in this question was that you need to understand that 2.5 which is given here is actually 2 into 1.25. Now the obvious question that you will have in your mind is that, sir, how will we know in the exam that we have to solve in this way? The answer is by practicing a lot of questions. This will click in your mind. The third question is from your favorite formula, which is a square minus b square. This formula is very famous. No student have ever told me that they have forgotten this formula. So this is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So when you take 74.75 square minus 25.25 square, what happens? A minus b a plus b. correct? So A minus B, just find what is A minus B. 74.75 minus 25.25. Okay. So 75 minus 25 is 50. Now 74 minus 25. What is 75 minus 25? That is 50. So 74 minus 25 will be 49. So the left hand side, this is your 49.50. Now what is this? Let's see. 74.75, 25.25. So this becomes 75 and 25 is 100. So double zero, one carry over. 74 and 1 becomes 75 and 25 again it becomes 100. So 100.00. So 4950 is your answer. You could have directly also calculated by using calculator, right? But we are actually practicing the formula. Okay, and in the most of the exams you will not find an on-screen calculator. So these three questions are the basic questions of algebraic formula and operations. We will solve only two questions from this slide. Okay. A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. A very famous formula. A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. In this similar fashion, A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B within bracket A square plus AB plus B square. Now here we need the application of the first formula. I will again write A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B within bracket A square minus AB plus B square. This formula comes from mathematical induction, and like this can be applicable if you have a question where powers are very high. Okay, we will discuss this on the later stage of the video. I mean to say you have a formula for A to the power 51 plus B to the power 51. Okay, we have a formula. Now A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B. What will happen if I write this formula like this? A cube plus B cube divided by, if I divide left hand side by A square minus AB plus B square. What happens to the right hand side? Okay, right hand side we have already this term, right? So this will be equal to A plus B. Now this question or the application of this formula has appeared in a lot of exams previously, a lot of exams. Okay, so very high probability that it might be repeated in XGMT, SNAP, NMAT or IPM, Indore, Rohtak, any exam, right? Now this formula is applicable, and as you can see in the third question, as you see, A cube plus B cube by A square minus AB plus B square, right? So this must be equal to A plus B. Okay, so A cube, I mean A is equal to 1.994 and B is equal to 0.006. When you add the two number, 4 plus 6, 10, carry over, 9 plus 1, 10, carry over, 9 plus 1, 10, carry over, 1 plus 1, 2. So A plus B is equal to 2. This entire formula is nothing but 2. So the answer for the question number C is 2. Okay, so this was a very important question. Now, look at the first question, 1003 into 997. Okay, now deal with this like this, 1000 plus 3 into 1000 minus 3. There is another part of the question, 1005 into 995. Now what will happen? This will be like 1000 plus 5 within bracket 1000 minus 5. Okay, now 1000 plus 3, 1000 minus 3. So this is like a plus b, a minus b. And this will be like a plus b and a minus b. You know the formula a square minus b square. So here it will be a square 1000 square minus b square. Here it will be again a square minus b square. Okay, the a is same in both the cases, the b is different. Okay, so I will keep it in the bracket because we have a minus in between, so the bracket should be here. Otherwise the question, so 1000 minus 3 square, when you open the bracket it is minus 1000 plus 5 square, so this will be gone and it will be 5 square minus 3 square. As you can see, 5 square has a positive sign behind it. So 5 square is 25 and 3 square is 9. So 25 minus 9 is 16. So answer for this question should be 16. You can check it. Okay, I'm not solving the second question because it will be done in a later stage, or you can consider this to be your homework. Yes, this is a very basic and very important question. In almost all the exam we have seen it. What is given here? X plus 1 by x is equal to 5. When you square it, it becomes x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 5 square. So this is like a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to 5 square, which is 25. So x square plus 2 plus 1 by x square is equal to 25. So it becomes x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 25. Now this 2 which is there on the left hand side will go on the right hand side and it will become 23. So your answer will be x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 23. The first question answered. If the value of x plus 1 by x is equal to 5, then find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Now, as you can see that we have the value of x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 23, right? So this has become 23. Now, we will take help of this. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 23, squaring both the sides. When you square it, so x square ka whole square, I mean a square plus 2ab, 2a into b plus b square is equal to 23 square, which is 529. So this becomes x ka power 4 plus 1 by x ka power 4 plus 2 is equal to 529. So x ka power 4 plus 1 by x ka power 4 is equal to 529 minus 2, which is equal to 527. So you have answered the question number C also. Now, the third question. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 5, how can you find the value of this? Of course, by cubing both the sides. So when you cube, 5 whole cube is 5 into 5 into 5, which is 125. Now left hand side, it is a cube plus b cube. Okay, so here I could have written 1 by x whole cube, but then What is the cube of 1? Which is 1. So I've written 1 by x cube. Okay. Plus 3ab. 3ab. Within bracket a plus b is equal to how much? 125. So this is like a cube plus b cube, x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3ab. So this is 3 within bracket x plus 1 by x, which is already 5, is equal to 125. Now this looks like a very boring question, right? But the application of this question is very, very unique and dangerous, right? You need to understand that if x plus 1 by x is equal to 5, what is the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube? That is always important, because sometimes what will happen, you will get the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube, and you have to find the value of x plus 1 by x. Then you will understand the importance of this question. So this becomes x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 125 minus 3 into 5, which is 15. So the answer is 110. Okay. Now my request is that you understand, if I give you x plus 1 by x is equal to 6, what will be the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube? What will be the value of this x cube plus 1 by x cube? You will find that it is equal to 6 ka whole cube minus 3 into 6. So this will be 216 minus 18 equal to 198. Okay. So what I request you to memorize this. Okay, if x plus 1 by x is equal to a, not 5, 6, 7, then x cube plus 1 by x cube will be equal to a cube minus 3a, or a within bracket a square minus 3. So this will help you in the question that we will practice in the subsequent videos. Thank you.